Hey there, my name is Matt Frank, Tech Evangelist at Blackthorn, and today we're going to explore how Blackthorn's suite of Salesforce-native apps powers the Impact community's core processes, helping to build stronger relationships with members, beneficiaries, and donors. Events are essential to delivering on the missions of nonprofit community members. Blackthorn Events is the ideal solution for impact-driven organizations looking to host fundraisers, mission-oriented experiences, galas, meetings, and other events that require individual, family, and group-based registrations. From community service events to volunteer opportunities and even coordinated national fundraisers, our nonprofit customers utilize Blackthorn Events for a variety of functions, such as Salesforce-native event registration and management, so you can send invitations and know who's coming. Custom question reporting and attendee insights, so you can know what their needs and wants are once they arrive. Mobile check-in and badge printing, personalized emails, donation and registration processing, and so much more that adds invaluable data enhancements to your engagement and fundraising CRM. Your team can utilize our easy-to-use event builder to create events, clone existing events, and build custom registration flows. You can send email invitations, follow up with post-event surveys, and perform mobile check-in with our QR code reader in the Blackthorn mobile check-in app. All of that is done directly in Salesforce. Now, you can even iframe events and event groups directly onto your website to inform your community about upcoming events. You can not only iframe, but you can create standalone pages and use a Lightning Web component to utilize events and event groups within Experience Cloud communities. This means we can fit into any SEO strategy that you have in place, because all of the data begins and ends in Salesforce. No integration, no connector required, which means that your data is immediately available and actionable so you can make the most impact. Now, we've discussed how events can help you engage, but let's discuss increasing awareness of your events. With Blackthorn messaging, you can communicate directly with stakeholders about events, send reminders, donations, end-of-year reports, solicitations, and so much more. And you can ensure the highest likelihood of engagement with open rates averaging around 95% when you compare that to email open rates. Reach out through multiple communication channels to engage donors worldwide, text attendees with critical updates, and schedule reminders about upcoming activities with Blackthorn's Smart Scheduler. You can even connect SMS to cases so that social service organizations can engage one-on-one or in small groups when email or other avenues is unavailable. All communication is created, tracked, and reported within Salesforce so you can measure impact with data, not intuition. With your events and communication strategy secured, your team is ready to expand. So let's talk about e-commerce offerings with Blackthorn Storefront. If you're looking to provide professional education or certification courses, or you need to make it easier for donors to give to multiple funds, or perhaps maybe your organization is selling digital affiliation badges, well, Storefront has you covered. With Storefront, you can build access to any digital good or service, including tours, courses, and a lot more. You can connect your Storefront offerings with flow automation that incorporates the data to all of your necessary systems, sends out alerts, and it works with all data models in the backend. And if your organization doesn't have a system for events or courses connected to your certifications, credentialing, or credit accrual processes, you can connect Blackthorn Storefront to Blackthorn Events with flows and track end-to-end learner engagement. And just like events and messaging and, well, all of Blackthorn's apps, Storefront is architecture agnostic, so you can connect it to Nonprofit Cloud, MPSP, Service Cloud, or any other Salesforce-supported data model. With donors and stakeholders increasing their interactions, your institution will need a system to support processing multiple payments of different types coming from multiple sources. Well, Blackthorn Payments can keep your entire transaction process in Salesforce and connected to the constituent records that are already existing in your CRM. Get a bird's eye view of all your donors, pledges, payments, and critical engagement data in one place with invoicing and receipting included. Stripe users can even connect their digital properties to a single branded checkout experience that includes all of the modern payment processing methods that your stakeholders expect, like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Ideal, and much more. Then enhance your ability to take donations from anywhere by adding Blackthorn's mobile payments to your Salesforce experience. Staff and volunteers in the field can connect Stripe card readers to their mobile devices or just enable tap to pay with no peripherals and take advantage of the real-time conversations with potential donors to transact gifts immediately. No pledge follow-up is required other than maybe a thank you. Now, for what I think is the best part, all of Blackthorn's payments functionality can be connected to Nonprofit Cloud's accounting subledger, which is also available with NPSP. And all of this is done with just a few clicks, enabling your organization to track credits and debits in your CRM and output all of your financial data in your accounting system's preferred format. That's pretty nifty, right? So when processing payments or donations, protecting your stakeholder information and reducing risk of credit card, banking, or unencrypted PII from entering your Salesforce instance is becoming critical. Your organization may already have Salesforce Shield in place to encrypt access and monitor your platform history, but the addition of Blackthorn compliance closes a functional gap in Shield. It prevents that patterned errant data from ever entering your system and alerts you when problematic data like credit card numbers, bank routing numbers, social security numbers, medical ID numbers, case numbers have been found where they're not supposed to be. You can even set up automation to permanently mask or delete the data from the field itself. Basically, it helps your organization remain compliant with data regulations when your stakeholders share just a little too much. Now, these are just a few ways the Blackthorn suite supports the impact community. From conferences to courses, gifts to membership, campaigns to cases, Blackthorn supports organizations' goals with mission-critical technologies to connect nonprofits to their communities across the world. Looking for a specific solution or help building a process? Well, reach out to our team to book your discovery call today. Thanks.